In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method intersection update. And what this one does is it will update a set with common elements from a second set while removing the different elements. Let's jump into the example. So if I have set 1 equals, we'll do Alice and Bob and Charlie. And we'll do set 2 equals, we'll do Dan, Erica, and a second Alice. What we will run is set1.intersection update, and we'll compare that against set 2, and that will update set 1, and what it will show is that you only get back Alice because that's the one that is common between the two sets.